impact back in.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
So low line, lead leg, shin kick. Okay, so again, all I'm going to do is going to do a shuffle step. So rear foot slides to the lead foot. Rear foot slides to the lead foot, and the lead foot's going to extend out. The lead foot's going to extend and kick into the low part of the guy's shin. You're actually trying to hit the guy just above the tongue on the shoe. Okay, so right where the tongue just above, that's where you want to hit him. Anywhere from just above the tongue on his shoe up to about the mid of the shin, but the lower the better, because you're targeting more towards the ankle joint. Okay, so rear foot slides to the lead. Notice how I pull my lead heel up, and then I extend the lead foot out, but you got to flex the toes back. Pull your toes back, and then you're aiming with the underside of the ball of the toes of the shoe. Okay, so I'm going to hit here, underside of the front of the shoe. I don't want to slide up and point my toes. See how my toes pointed? I don't want to point it because it can flex side to side. My ankle stays more than 90 degrees. Now, don't pull your toes all the way up. Just lift them up a little bit and boom. And then you get the impact right here. Okay? So I want you to think about hitting with just the bottom, but the top part. So not here, obviously, just here. Rear foot comes up and boom. And then slides right back down. Boom, and right back down. Boom, and right back down. Boom, and right back down. When you do it, watch my hips. I slide up. See how my hips are back? Then when the foot goes out, my hips. Now I'm going to pause my foot just to hold it out there so you can see, and then slide right back. So it's, so we don't want this. No flicking from the knee. It goes here. See how my leg almost looks locked? There's no this. No flicking. You move your whole body. Punt back in. Punt back in. Impact back in.